Are you excited? You're fried. Anyway.
I'm chicken.
So we are on our flight right now to Punta Cana, our first time. Are you excited? I mean, I don't know who this guy is. He's been acting brand new, like since we walked in the international side of the ATL airport. I don't know, for whatever reason, he just feels that he's just, I don't know who he is. So when you guys find my husband, please bring him back to me.
This weekend, I'm international, probably Philadelphia. You feel me? In the building. You know, so ladies, what we doing? You know what I'm saying? International.
Okay, this is where we end this.
Hey guys.
No.
Welcome back to Cirilla.
The Emma.
Hey guys.
What's going on?
It's your boy, Rilla, Delphia.
It's your girl, you know.
We're back. Like cook crack. That's right, guys. Tell them what's going on. What we doing? What we doing today?
Yeah, so we are on a flight right now to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, for a nice vacation. Nice vacation, you know, and super excited.
Did you say vacation?
No, I said bay.
Okay,
B
cool.
with a B.
Cool.
Yeah, with a B.
Gotcha.
With a B, with a capital B, like me.
Better watch out. You ain't not getting monetized.
But anyway, so we're on the flight right now. This is actually a different experience for us. We've flown Delta before, but I was like, you know, we got a little extra coinage, so we went ahead and upgraded that to Delta Plus. And
Sure,
it's nice so
sure.
far. What you thinking about it?
Man, you know what I'm saying? I feel like, you know, feel real, you know what I'm saying?
It's nice. I mean,
I just feel real, you know, RILL, man. Like, I'm feeling real, like.
It's the extra space. Can you flip that around or no?
Yeah, hold on. I got you guys. I got you guys. Show you guys what's going on here.
Yeah, you do get a little bit extra
You know what I'm saying?
space.
You know, you see? Hey.
Like, who the hell am I sitting next to?
Y'all see that this is real life, okay? That's what I'm saying. This is RILL. We keep it real on this channel, okay?
Our seat buddy is probably looking at us
Hey,
like, who are these?
it's entertainment. I'm entertainment everywhere I go. You know, I'm the life of the party. We gonna have a good time.
Who are these nimbles?
Hopefully that made y'all laugh too, because that was a real moment. Okay, that was a real moment. Everybody on the flight just laughed at me. You know what I'm saying?
He dropped his phone. His
Dropped the
big
phone
ass
like I
flip.
dropped the soap, man.
That's what
You know what I'm
happened.
saying? Hey, it was all bad, you know, but it still works, guys. So we're still in action. The phone is. That's why you spend $2,000 on the phone. Okay, make sure you get quality things. Okay?
Yes.
Make sure you buy quality things. Okay. But yeah, we on the way to Punta Cana.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dominican Republic. I'm going back home.
You don't need no
Nah.
earphones, see? Okay.
Yeah, so I'm going back home. About to go see my peoples. Very
I will
excited.
get one just in case I decide to do the listen to this. See, this is what comes with Delta Plus. You actually
See, you
get
get condoms.
it's headphones so that you can listen to the in-flight entertainment. So,
Yeah, so yeah, man. But you know,
so
I'm
we're
going.
excited. We'll be here for 7 days, and you know, I'm just excited to show y'all everything. And yeah, I'm just ready. Wheels up.
Whatever, baby, whatever, baby, whatever, whatever, baby, whatever, baby, whatever, baby, whatever.
All right, what's going on? We are in here. We are here. So
Let me get some love real quick.
Oh my gosh, y'all!
Yeah.
Finally, a day of well, the travel wasn't bad.
It wasn't
only,
bad at all.
It was only like 3 hours.
Look here, man. Delta, thank you so much. I am going to be a huge.
Hold on. By the way, we've flown Delta before. Like, don't act like you.
Look.
He's not good at remembering these things.
Look here. You know, I'm gonna just say this. last time wasn't really an impression, obviously, if I didn't remember.
Yeah.
This time, the flight.
Actually, the first time we flew to Mexico was Delta. You don't remember?
I don't remember that. Like I said.
Well, I upgraded it.
You gonna let me finish? Damn. You see YouTube?
No.
You doing me bad?
Because you need to understand why it was such an upgrade. Because I did do, you know, we ain't first class yet. You know what I'm saying? But it's coming. But I did the Delta Comfort Plus. So that's why he's so impressionable.
Well, hold on. Well, let me tell him. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it was that. Like I said, the first thing was the flight. It was very smooth. Like I don't know if they got a new plane. I don't know exactly what it was, but
yeah, it was.
Man, it was just like the smoothest.
It was
quietest, relaxed. Like no babies was crying on the plane. Like none of that. It was like it was amazing. So like I said, shouts out to Delta. The snacks. They were on next level snacks.
Like they were good.
Level. I didn't get any because I was asleep. You know, they say if you snooze, you lose. So I lost out. But hey,
yeah. Well, look here.
I'ma eat here though. I ain't losing out here. I'm telling you.
Well, look here, I got me a Biscoff cookie or two, so I'm good. But so we are here, so Grand Bavaro Princess, and this gonna be like really like our first official like vacation vlog.
Yeah,
so
for sure.
We definitely gonna. The room is looking marvelous.
Man,
yes, we about to take you on a tour right quick. So yeah, so let's do a room tour.
Hey, first, you know, before we even get into it, I'm gonna go on and take you outside so y'all can see what's going on, man. As you can see, you know what I'm saying, we right here at the bar, right over here, you know, everything groovy, everything movie, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna go in. Let me see if my old lady will let me in. Hello? It's Big Poppy Philadelphia, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, some pizza, all right. I hope you let me get a slice. Oh, wow. Let me go ahead. Oh, wow. Hey.
What's going on?
Hey, let's go ahead and come in. So we're going to go ahead and walk in. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the man when I walk through. Okay. So first, I'm going to go ahead and turn this camera around so y'all can see what's going on, man. Big business. So you see this. You know what I'm saying? You walk up. Matter of fact, let me show them this real quick. Yeah. You see that? You see them Yeezys?
Yeah, see that? This is supposed to be a room tour, not an outfit of the day. My bad. That's for a different video.
All right.
But yeah, so this is the entrance. You have they do have lights here. They actually give you robes here. All of that. You get your amenities. You get the iron. You get the flippies. This is one thing that I think is like super cool. I love this right here. You see it's a picture, right? But then you open it up and bam, there's your safe. You know what I'm saying? Just like the movies.
You gotta make sure, you know, you keep all this ice in there. You know, you gotta put that ice in there. Big boy ice on the hands and shit. You gotta make sure.
All right.
But yeah. But let me go ahead and, you know, so you see you got the king size bed fit for a king. You know what I'm saying? Nothing less but the best. Then you got the flatty. You know what I'm saying? The only time I like flat is when it's on the TV. You feel me? Yes, sir. But yeah, you see that's a nice scrumptious bed, you know, for some scrumptious activity. Beautiful view right here. So like, you know, let's say, you know, you sit down, look at the max, look at the MOA. But anyway, yeah, you sit down and then you can just kind of people watch. You know, we like to crack on people. I ain't even gonna lie. So it's gonna be a lot of jokes being said, you know.
Cracking on that.
Yeah, for sure. So it is what it is. But yeah, like I see, you see the pillars and stuff. It's nice and romantical. You know the ladies like views. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Drizzy Drake. All right, so we come in here, man. Look at this.
Nice.
Look at that, man. So you it's like a U-turn. You bust that U and you boom right here, man. So we're gonna be doing a lot of talking right here. You know, we're gonna be saying a lot of stuff. You got the nice table, you know, breakfast, dinner for two, stuff like that, you know. Yes. So you got that. Check this out.
This is actually a Murphy's bed, so this comes down. I'm not gonna pull it out.
We ain't gonna pull it out, but you can pull out a little bit, just a little. Let's show them a little bit. You see that?
You see how it comes out. So that's a Murphy's bed. So like if you I think this particular room, they say you could fit up to, I think it's 3 adults. So yeah, and this is not a adult. This is not adults only. They do have like a kids section, like a family section. They have family suites, and from what I've seen, the family suites honestly look just like this. It's just that the Murphy's bed, and then it actually has an additional like pull out for like multiple kids. So it's nice. It's real nice.
Hey, and this is my favorite part. I ain't gonna lie. Let me go ahead and show y'all what's going on. Let me show you. You show. Ooh, click. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? Bloop. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? We got to see. You know, I love all my favorite women in the world. Their first names are C's, except my baby Ariel. So, but it's all love. Majority of them. Got my 5 C's in there, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So got the coachy coach.
We
got
love
my
our
coach
girls.
here. You know what I'm saying? She gonna guide me through this.
Yes.
And yeah, we got the flatty there. So we got 2 flatties here. You know, that's the only time that's acceptable. So we gonna go ahead. Let me see. Can I go ahead and can I go and sit outside? Yeah.
Right
we go.
here.
Okay.
So we
Wrong way.
This up.
You know what I'm saying?
If I can.
Technical difficulties. We ain't gonna edit that out because we real here. All right, so you step out, right? We gonna smoke the big boy cigars out here. We gonna sit back here. You know, we gonna sit back and chillax. We got the 2. Man, look here. We gonna put the temperature up too.
It's super humid.
So
It's super humid out here.
So look, we got that. Now
this is part of platinum. So if you got, I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but that PVG.
Let me see if I can zoom up.
Yep, so y'all see that PVG, the Platinum Bar and Grill. So that's for platinum guests only. Now, one good thing about us being here in platinum is that, as you can see
that top.
If y'all can kind of look out a little bit more yonder, y'all will see that that's the beach. So all of the platinum rooms are like right here situated close to the beach. You know, you got the pool right there. So it's just super convenient. This is a huge resort. When I say it's huge, it's out of control. Like, I think when I was doing my research, I read like somebody saying that like if you was to walk like from this back part all the way to the front, it would be, it's like a 20, depending on how you walk, it could be anywhere between a 25 to 30 minute walk. So you definitely getting your exercise, because you know we're gonna be eating,
100%.
but we're gonna be trying to walk everywhere. So
Nah,
you
we
know,
gonna definitely walk it off.
Ain't no try. We
DJ
gonna
you gotta put the walking out right there. Hey, I walk it out, I walk it out, I walk it out, I walk it out. Okay. My bad. It's gonna be a lot of that. Sorry, guys.
And then
we gotta make sure make sure you know. I'm trying to
lock it up.
Trap out that band though. We gotta. Okay, there we go. Got it.
Okay.
Hold on. We ain't showing this. Look at the fish scale. You see what I'm saying? Hold on. You know what I'm saying? We got the. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm a classy man. You know, check out that. What you call this right here? When you get your nails did? What's that?
Oh, manicure.
Hold on. It ain't even fun. Let me make sure it focus. Is it gonna focus? Look, check it out. Check them nails out right there. Bad boy nails, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm a tea and crumpet type guy. So, you know, we got the tea right here. You know, we got the something special. You know what I'm saying? Something special.
With something slight.
Something slight, you know what I'm saying? You know, you trying to get your girl, you know, we got, you know, you trying to have a good time. You got something slight.
How you
pronounce that?
Hold on.
Stolishania. Stolish.
Oh Lord, they gonna kill us.
Hey, guess what? Hey, comment if y'all know what it is. Go ahead and help us out. You know.
Now the mini bar, he did say they have.
Hey, hold on. Check this out, man. I feel like Future, man. You see it? Oh, it's purple light. I just need some codeine right now, so we can get the dirty Sprite going on. Have a good.
But wait, that also too. He said that that's not a good representation. That is fully full. They're actually bringing somebody to like fill it up, but all of that stuff in there is free. So it'll have like beer, pop, water, all of that. All of that's free. That's all inclusive. That's what all inclusive is.
Ooh, hold on, no.
And then last but not least, you have the ensuite bathroom. So come on in, let me show you. This is a nice size bathroom, y'all. The way it's just set up. So as you see, you have the sit-in tub right here, and then they have the double sinks with the double mirrors.
His and hers, what we prefers, you know.
And then this is probably where you'll be spending most of your time at right there.
You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, when I get buried,
We're gonna try to stay away from all that.
Nah, I will. Definitely partaking. I'm on vacation.
And then here is the shower.
Look at that.
Look
Big
at
boy
that shower.
Big boy shower.
I mean, walk in, it has the rain shower head. And yeah, I mean, they're very nice and spacious, open concept. So,
yeah, you know what I'm saying?
So the room is nice. The room is nice. It's definitely nice. Now, the only thing that I am kind of noticing, of course, you're in a tropical place, so this is what's going to happen. Like I said, you're in Dominican Republic, so it's super humid, it's super tropical. I do see like a lot of kind of like little bugs, but that just means that you just need to be careful when you are coming in, because they gonna be rushing in with you. So outside of that, it's good though. It's definitely good. Again, it is humid, so you do kind of have a little bit of that like humidity. I don't know if it's just this room in particular, but everything else, I mean, this is like one of the best rooms. I don't know if you agree, but like one of like as far as setups that we stayed in at an all-inclusive.
Okay, let me go ahead and wrap. Hey, you know, this for the hood guys. I'm gonna have a segment called For the Hood Ninjas, you know what I'm saying, or something like that. Let me go ahead and break this down to you, dog. You know what I'm saying, for all my guys that grew up in public housing, you know, in the hood, in the inner city, you know what I'm saying. I would say, now I done went to, thanks to her, thanks to wifey, I done been to a lot of luxurious places, but I will say, just this first day being here, man, it looks beautiful. It's kind of like I said, it's kind of gray outside, but man,
yeah, it's just but
hey,
it's cool.
it don't matter, you know what I'm saying? Like
so we
gonna be here. This is reality, vlogging and blogging, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not about to be, you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing my energy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all just got to get familiar with it. If you like it, cool. If you don't, cool. Comment on what I need to change, and I'll laugh at the comment. But you know what I'm saying? Like I was saying, man. You know, it ain't that the heat ain't even, you know, it ain't sweltering or anything like that. It's cool. You know, this is like that. Summer day outside hooping type, you know what I'm saying, feeling right now at the moment. So it ain't to me, I have zero complaint, you know what I'm saying, for somebody like me. If you like me, if you can relate to me, zero complaints so far. I mean, I'm talking about I have no complaints at all. Zero. So that's my opinion.
Yeah, so that's it. I mean, pretty much, like I said, I'm ready to just kind of get in. You know, we just been here for a couple of hours, so, you know, just want to get settled first, just kind of relax, and we'll probably be doing some walking around, and we're going to bring y'all with us every step of the way, show y'all everything. Like, I'm just excited. This place is so big, so honestly, I'm just super excited to, like, just walk around and just see what it got to offer. So yeah, we're gonna settle in, and then we'll bring y'all along with us a little bit later.
Next episode. Hold up.
We already seen our first wildlife. Look at him. Look at this, man. Like, seriously, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that view. This resort is huge as heck. Do y'all see this? This is actually my first time seeing a peacock in real life. One thing that I definitely noticed here is that they sell a lot. So that's just something to keep in mind. Some people don't really like the whole like pushy sales. I mean, they try to sell everything.
You know, every day I go to Dominican market.
How were those fries?
Round 10, you get one. Fruit. 10 on 10.
The food. We went to the buffet, and I'm sorry, but it wasn't a good experience.